Hello and welcome to my channel. Is your desktop cluttered and disorganized? Having an organized desktop makes it easier to find your files and improves productivity. In this video, I'll show you how to arrange your desktop icons efficiently and automatically keep them organized. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop to open the context menu. From the menu, hover over View and then click on Auto Arrange Icons. This will instantly organize your desktop icons in a structured layout. For a neater appearance, you can also enable Align Icons to Grid. This ensures that icons remain evenly spaced and aligned. If you want to adjust the size of your desktop icons, right-click on the desktop, hover over View, and choose between large icons, medium icons, or small icons, depending on your preference. If you want to organize icons by name, size, item type, or date modified, simply right-click on the desktop, hover over Sort By, and choose your preferred sorting option. If you prefer a clean desktop without any icons, you can hide them temporarily. Just right-click on the desktop, hover over View, and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. To bring them back, simply repeat the process and check the option again. And that's it. Your desktop is now organized, making it easier to find your files and programs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.